Welcome to Take 5 with Cleanfax. Today, we're going to talk about something that might sound simple, but is actually kind of a big deal. What separates professionals from everyone else? Not just in terms of skill, because honestly, in the cleaning and restoration world, there are a lot of people who know what they're doing technically. They have the skills. But knowing your stuff and being seen as a professional, well, those are two very different things. So let's dive in and see what you can actually do to look, act, and operate like the pro you already are, or want to be, or hope to be. This is Take 5 with Cleanfax. Real talk, real lessons in just 5 minutes. Let's start with something I call the curb appeal test. If a homeowner or a property manager sees your truck pull up, what do they think in the first 10 seconds? Before you ring the doorbell, before you say a word, your vehicle, your uniform, or lack of one, your equipment, the way you walk up to the door, all of that is talking before you are. Professionals don't show up with a logo that's half peeled off the side of a van. They don't show up in a t-shirt that has seen better days. They look like they showed up on purpose. Now, I'm not saying you need to drop thousands of dollars on a fleet wrap tomorrow, but I am saying, what does your first impression cost you right now? Well, that's worth thinking about. And here's another one I think gets overlooked. How you communicate. Not just what you say, but how fast you respond, how clearly you explain things, and whether people feel like you're in control of the situation. In restoration especially, your customers are often in a crisis. Their basement flooded. There's mold on the walls. The last thing they need is to feel like they're the one managing you. Professionals set expectations. They say things like, here's what we're going to do. Here's when you'll hear from us next. And here's what that will look like. That's not just good customer service. That's the thing that gets you referrals. Text back promptly. Call them. Follow up after the job. Send the invoice the same day. Little things add up. Huge signals that you're a pro. And here's another one. Own your expertise out loud. If you've ever undersold yourself, well, you're human. Probably most of us have done that. Professionals own their expertise. They don't do great work and hope someone notices. They talk about what they know. That might look like posting a quick video explaining why water damage has to be addressed within a certain amount of time, or writing a post about why cheap carpet cleaning can actually leave your floors worse off than before. Stuff you already know that your customers absolutely do not know. You're not bragging, you're educating. And when people feel educated by you, they trust you. And when they trust you, well, they hire you. And when they hire you and you do great work, they tell other people. Think about your own ways of response when you enjoy something nice, perhaps as a purchase, maybe a good pizza. You tell your friends. That's what we do. And another one is this. Systems make you look like you have it together. And I'll be honest, some of the most technically skilled operators in this industry look a little chaotic from the outside. And it's not because they don't know what they're doing. It's because the back end of their business looks like a junk drawer. I have junk drawers. We all do. But professionals have systems, booking confirmations, job documentation, follow-up processes, even something as simple as a checklist that your techs run through before leaving a job site. That's a system. And systems create consistency. And consistency is what makes you scalable. When you walk into a job and hand someone a written scope of work, even a simple one, you look different than 90% of your competition. That's not an exaggeration. Look, none of this requires a massive budget or a business degree. What it requires is intention, thinking about how you show up, how you communicate, how you share what you know, and how you run your operation. The pros aren't necessarily the most talented people in the room, but they're the ones who've decided to take their image and their actions seriously. And you can decide that today. That's your Take 5. See you next time.